Hello, here we'll see properties of radicals. Okay, first let's start with these four properties and I'll explain giving some simple examples. Let's say that you have nth root of a to the power of m equals to nth root of a to the whole power of m. For example, if you have cube root of 8 squared, it means cube root of 8 the whole squared. Cube root of 8 is 2, so 2 squared would give you 4. Second example, let's say that nth root of a multiplied with nth root of b, so if the radical is the same, you can multiply whatever thing inside the radicals. Let's say root of 5 multiplied by root of 7. Here when I write nothing, it means it's a square root, so you can simply multiply 5 times 7, it will give you square root of 35. Good. Third one, nth root of a, you can multiply these two radicals, it can be m multiplied by n root a. For example, let's say that you have cube root square root of 10. Here you can multiply these two radicals, it can be 6th root of 10. The fourth one, if the radicals are the same and there are two numbers that will be divided, you can make the radical once, that means it can be nth root of a over b. Let's say for example you have cube root of 20 over cube root of 5. You can simply make it cube root of 20 over 5, which is cube root of 4. Next example. Okay, if you have nth root of a to the power of n, this radical and this power will cancel each other and it will give you just a. For example, if you have cube root of x cubed, the answer will be just x. In the sixth one, you have two different cases, when n is even or when n is odd. Let's have a look. Let's say that you have square root of negative 12 squared. Here this would be this square root and this square will cancel each other and it will be absolute value of negative 12, and the absolute value for negative 12 will go as positive 12. But what if this radical is an odd number? For example, let's say that you have cube root of negative 12 cubed. Here this radical is going to cancel each other and the answer will go out as 12 without any absolute value.